Hello students, today we are going to learn and read about Class 8 Science Chapter 8. The topic name is Shell Structure and Functions. The topics we will cover in this chapter are as follows: shells, discovery of shells, shell shape and size, shell numbers, basic structure of shell, cell organelles, difference between plant and animal cells, and etc. All plants and animals, small or large, are made up of same small units that are known as cells, that are called as cells. Shells. What do you mean by shells? Shells are the basic building blocks of all living things. Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. Shells may be compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of every organism. All organisms are made up of shells. All basic chemical and physiological functions of living beings, for example, repair, growth, movement, immunity, communication, and digestion, etc., are carried out inside the cells. Discoveries. Shells were discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. The English scientist Robert Hooke observed slices of cork, bark of tree, which is a part of bark of a tree under a simple magnifying device. He noticed partitions, boxes, or compartments in the cork slice. The instrument used to see cells is microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is used to magnify the very small objects which can't be seen with the naked eye. It was discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. The ancient microscope is the microscope which discovered the shell. Next topic, types of cells. There are two main types of cells which are as follows: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What do you mean by prokaryotic cells? The cells having nuclear material without nuclear membrane are termed as prokaryotic cells. The organisms with these kinds of cells are called prokaryotes. Pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. Examples: bacteria and blue-green algae. Eukaryotic cells, the cells having well-organized nucleus with a nuclear membrane and designated as eukaryotic cells. All organisms other than bacteria and blue-green algae are called eukaryotics. Eu means true and karyon means nucleus. It means true nucleus, having true nucleus. Cells have three basic characteristics, just as cell membrane, genetic material, metabolic machinery, etc. Cell shape and size. The shape of the cell depends upon its function. The shape of the cell may change or remain same. Different shapes of cell are as follows: branched cell. The nerve cell is branched shaped cell. Nerve cell receives and transfers message for helping to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body, just like the figure of nerve cell given in the side. The type of cells which are in disc-like is called disc-like cells. For example, RBC, red blood cells. Spindle-like. These are the cells which are spindle in shape. These type of cells are narrow from ends and wider from middle. For example, smooth muscle fiber. Flat cells. Skin cells are flat cells. There are few cells which can change their shape according to their requirement. For example, WBC, white blood cells or corpuscles, and amoeba. Next topic, cell size. There are different sizes of cells. In animals, the smallest cell size is 0.1 micron and it is present in mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is pleuropneumonia-like organisms and it is a very smallest cell. In man, the smallest cell is red blood cell and its size is 6 to 8 micrometer. The longest cell is nerve cell and its size can be up to 100 microns, present in human being. The size of the cells has no relation with the size of the body of the animal or plant. So dear students, in this video class We did about different topics of cells, just cell, types of cell, shell shape and sizes, and microscope etc. Next topic we discuss cell number. So thanks.